Oh god, oh god, oh god, kill me, kill
And
me.
we pray that this voyage be peaceful and that we arrive in our destination in comfort and safety.
Hi, how are you doing? This weekend was crazy. Our whole area was flooded. There was a lot of rain during the night, and in the morning it was like 10 centimeters of water everywhere around my street. It was amazing. It took about, I guess, 10 hours until the water was drained. Finally, our power was shut off for a couple hours. Anyways, it's dry again finally, but here, have a look yourself. Oh fuck. This is fucking disgusting, man. Ah. Oh god, oh god, oh god, kill me, kill me. Okay, much better. Interesting couple of hours, but no water anymore.
I'm just sitting here in my room, staring at the ceiling with you. Haven't even looked at my phone. I just been enjoying the view. We could start this day right, make some plans, go outside, drinking on the beach until it's dark. We should get out of bed, we could stay right here instead. Guess that we're not getting very far, cause I'm feeling so fucking unmotivated. So what if we had nothing to do? Cause I'm feeling so fucking unmotivated by every single thing but you. By every single thing but you.
Yeah, so that was it. My name is Danny Schleicher. I'm a German living in Jakarta, Indonesia. And this was my video log. See you next time.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing